Hey guys, it's 11 in the morning. I just got out of my room. Editing last night was kind of a nightmare. Now we'll be getting going here in Wuppertal. Yeah, let's get on the road. Oh my god, the first train is coming. It looks so cool. This is incredible. Hello guys, we just left Wuppertal behind us. We're now on the road. I've gotten some nice food at the hotel. Our goal for today is going to the Nürburgring and have a tour on the Nordschleife and to get as close to Belgium as we can, or maybe even across the Belgian border. We have to see. Also today will be the first day I'll be camping. I forgot that supermarkets are closed on Sundays in Germany, so I will have to rely on other sources of food for now. Just really annoying. I almost forgot to strap up the luggage properly. I stopped in this traffic jam over here to check that out because my bike was overheating anyway. So let's get this done. I've just gotten off the gas station. I fueled up and I got caught up in conversation because moved into the shadow and accidentally stood in the motorcycle smoking corner, and all of a sudden everyone was talking to me about my motorbike, and mostly old people who rode something similar back in the day. But it was really nice. Also, there was a guy who bought himself the Yamaha Diversion from 2011, and he was talking to me. Didn't want to go off-roading, but apparently I do now. So it is what it is. The first time my motorcycle's seeing dirt on this trip. I thought that would happen way later, maybe in Spain and not already in Germany. Ooh, this looks... Yep. Oh, look at this gorgeous river. Nürburgring coming up. Here we go. Hey guys, I just arrived at the Nürburgring. I will have a look at it before I go onto the Touristenfahrten, because at the moment I'm kind of scared. This is insane, man. Like, a lot of sports cars. Well, sadly they just closed the track for motorcycles. Honestly, maybe kind of a good thing, because this just seems way too crazy, and I would be trusting my life to some idiots. Like, no, like, I've talked to a few of them, and if I imagine those are the people that are overtaking me at 200 plus. No, I don't like those odds that much. I am currently on my way out of the VULKAN EIFEL. The curvy roads here are amazing. I currently have set the Belgium border into my navigation system, and on the way are so many beautiful roads. It's such a blast. But to be honest, I'm quite hungry. Sadly, my food situation at the moment is quite shit because all the supermarkets are closed, so I will probably later get a burger somewhere. And then tomorrow in the morning, first thing I do is get some groceries that I can hold on my bike, basically. So, we have a little bit of a problem here. This road is blocked and I already drove all the way, and I am not keen on going the other way. So I will do what I usually would never do, and would just drive past things and see where it leads me. I mean, at the end of the day I'm on a motorbike, so I don't see how there could be any problem. Unless, of course, I'm running into some police. That would be really unfortunate. But till now, it all looks fine. Hopefully, yeah, this is hard tarmac, I think. Yeah, it should be. Well, we're literally just going through the construction site. Oh, we made it. Good. Oh, you guys look cute. I will spend a moment with you. I'm super hungry, actually, for something quite similar to you guys, but yeah. Somewhere in this commercial center right here should be a Pizza Hut, because I'm craving some pizza and I'm super hungry. It's such a shame that I messed up that the supermarkets are closed today. Ah, there it is. The sun is already setting and I'm on my way to the campsite. I didn't really know that Pizza Hut is not really like McDonald's for pizza, but more like tries to be a bit more sophisticated. Was kind of the only option in the area. There was literally nothing else. The sun is setting in a few minutes, and I hope I don't have to do that much of the tent work after dark. Oh, there's the sun setting. Hopefully we make it when there's still some light out. We're now in Belgium and we're moving in slow steps closer to our goal of Morocco. We're having another look at this gorgeous sunset. Oh, I can already see the camping ground. Now this place only must be open at the reception still, and then I am all good. This is the camping ground. Well, this place will not let me stay for the night, because they need a reservation. And I don't have any service here. So I remember seeing on the map another camping more down the road. Otherwise I'll just will find myself some acre and camp there, which would be unfortunate, but yeah. Those are some narrow roads right here. So let's see what the sign says. There's a telephone number. Bonjour. Je suis à la place de camping, mais il n'y a pas quelqu'un à la réception parce que je suis très tard ici. Est-ce que je suis avant la réception? Ok. Est-ce que c'est possible? J'ai dormi dans mon tente sur la place de camping et... Ok. Merci. C'est très gentil. The sign with the telephone number was written in German, but French worked alright. I was not sure if I should answer the phone in German or French because I'm so close to the border.